Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your ad on Gumtree. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to edit an ad that you have set up, then click on the menu icon at the top right. Then click on Manage My Ads. You will now be shown all of your ads that you have. Once you find the ad that you wish to edit, click on the three dots at the right side and then click on the Edit Ad option. You will now be taken to the Update My Ad screen. From here, you will be allowed to make any desired changes to your ad. If you wish to add a photo, click on the camera icon and then choose a photo from your PC to upload. You can also add a YouTube video link if you wish to do so. Make the desired changes to the title as well as the description. And if you wish to change the price, you can do this too from the price option. You can also choose to promote your ad by using the various promotion schemes. If you wish to change your email or your phone number, you can also do this from the contact details section by clicking on the edit button. Once you have made all of your desired edits, click on the update my ad option. And now your advertisement will be updated and the changes will be applied to your ad right away. And there you have it. That is how you can edit your ads on Gumtree. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.